You don't even have to, honestly. Just don't talk about the video. That's it.
You ain't gotta restart it, just talk about the video.
That's gonna be good. All right, here we go. I need about 5-10 minutes, y'all. Today, class, we'll be going over a system of equations. All right? We'll be going over the way that we can recognize system of equations, the way that the lines, right, interact with each other, the relationships with those lines. All right? We'll be graphing them. We'll be showing how to graph them. And we will create, come on guys, pay attention. We'll create a checklist to be able to graph linear equations. Hence, Mr. Jones, please. I'm sorry for that, Olivia. I apologize for his behavior. But please, stop that. Thank you very much. All right, so with our checklist, hopefully everybody has a piece of paper and a pen. What do we know about lines? We know that lines stretch which way forever?
Infinity, both sides.
Good job, good job. If we was to use a football field, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say we got a running back and we got a tackler. Where the running back is running, right, and where the tackler meet, that essentially, yes, they will be intersecting, but that's the relationship we want to find with our system of equations.
Yes, sir.
Because let's say if you got a runner here and a tackler here, and they both trying to run to the end zone, they'll never meet. The scorer might score before he gets there. That'd be essentially parallel lines.
That's why they gotta meet at an angle.
Absolutely. All right, says the point where the lines intersect is your solution. So wherever they cross at, fellas, wherever they cross at is our solution. Right? So we'll learn how to graph it and we'll learn how to label it to find our solution. This is going to be very important in our next phase of geometry. All right. Says the points where the lines intersect is your solution. All right. The solution of the graph, of this graph, right, it has an ordered pair or interval notation as 1 and 2. We know that the 1 is our x and the 2 is our y. Our 1 is on the x-axis, which goes horizontal, right, goes horizontal. And our y goes which way, Sam? Which way would our y go? Our x goes left and right. Our y goes what?
Up and down.
Up and down. Good job. Good job. Huh? Not yet. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Okay, parallel lines. We know this. We went over this already, right? At the beginning of the year. Parallel lines, they never intersect. They will never cross each other. Since the lines never cross, there is no solution, meaning they will never meet at one point. So there won't be an ordered pair for those lines to intersect. Parallel lines have the same slope with different y-intercepts. Parallel lines have the same slope with y-intercepts. In Algebra 1, you guys may have went over slopes and y-intercepts. We're seeing it again in geometry, okay? We're seeing it again in geometry. We know what a slope is. What would you say a slope is, Takara, if you remember how we would calculate it? It's what?
Where it goes, how much it goes up?
Yes, how much it goes up and how much it goes over. We call this rise over run, right? Our slope
Equals y
equals rise over run.
Yes,
That means, right here, it says the slope is 2 over 1. That means we will go up 2 and over
and
1.
run 1.
That's it.
Rise up.
If it was a negative here, we would go down 2 and still over 1. We always go to the right. Whenever it's a run, We always go
Wait,
to the
so
right.
on run you can't go to the left?
Nah,
Alright.
nope. We always go to the right. So our negative or our positive, it just changes if we're going up or down, but we always go to the right. Slope equals rise over run. Our y-intercept is where we place is where our line crosses the y-axis. Remember, our y goes up and down. So this y-intercept is at 2. We will find 2 on the y-intercept, and that's where the line crosses the y-intercept. The y-intercept. Sean, what is our y-intercept for this one?
One. Negative one.
Negative one.
Negative one.
Good job. Negative 1. Good job. Everybody got this?
Yeah.
You guys are doing good.
How many slides is it?
Not that many. We're about to wrap it up. Coinciding lines. These lines are the same. Since the lines are on the top of each other, there are infinite many solutions. What would infinite many solutions would you say? What does infinite means? Sam? What-
Never stopping.
ending.
Never ending. Good job. Yeah, I would say never ending. As many, infinite, infinity.
Yeah.
Right? It's a lot. It's forever. Right? That's if the lines are on the exact same, if the equation, should I say, or the system is the exact same. Right? So if you got a line here, or if you're graphing, and your lines are running on top of each other, that means they are infinite solutions. You could put any number in the equation, and it will equal the same thing. That's what that means, okay?
No, you don't, man.
So I need y'all to write this down.
Y equals negative. What?
Y equals mx plus b. This is the formula. This is our slope formula. This is what y'all should remember from Algebra 1, right? We know that M is our slope
An X
and B is our y-intercept. Yes. Now, when we go create ourselves a checklist because we got to learn how to graph this stuff on our own. All right. So, on another sheet of paper, after you write this down, I need a checklist. We're gonna do a quick checklist. This checklist will help us to always be able to graph a linear equation. All right. So when y'all get it on your own and y'all have to ask me, hey, how do we graph this? Check your checklist. So number 1 on the checklist is to make sure that our y is isolated. Make sure our y is by itself. If you look up here, the y is by itself. There is nothing next to our y. Our y is by itself. If we make sure that our y is by itself, everything else will fall in line. The next thing we do, right, is we locate our y-intercept. Wherever our y-intercept is, we put a point. So for here, our y-intercept will be -1. We will put a point. On number 2, that's number 3 on the checklist. Number 3 on the checklist. We perform our slope. So if our slope is 2 over 1, we will go over 2, go up 2, over 1, 1, 2, over 1. That will get us our slope. And once we have that, number 4 is draw a line through those 2 points. Draw a line through those 2 points. And when we do that, we'll do that for both lines. We'll do that for both lines.
Alright, y'all trying to get this point.
Right, you ain't even got no teeth.
Hey, come on, guys. Let's go.
What you quiet?
Calm down. Let's redirect ourselves, guys. Let's redirect ourselves and focus on the board, okay?
Yes, sir, Mr. Israel.
All right, no problem, guys. Thank you very much. You guys are doing excellent. Okay? I understand sometimes we gotta channel it back in.
You front for this video.
Oh.
Hey, edit that part. Edit that part.
Edit it out.
All right, here we go. So next thing we do, checking on our checklist. Right, our first point, we isolate our Y. That's the first checklist. So on our checklist, right, it should be 1, 2, 3. Isolate the Y. Or get the Y by itself. Our second point is locate the y-intercept. Intercept. And our third one, perform the slope. Remember, our slope is rise over run. And number 4, draw a line.
You said only 3.
I'm sorry, I apologize if I said 3, but I actually meant 4, guys. I apologize. Draw a line through the 2 points. Okay, now everybody, if you could, please get out your EDIA. We'll have a practice. We'll do it together. And then we'll do one on your own using our checklist. And we'll be wrapping up with the lesson for today. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, so get out your computers and we're going to get our EDIA done.
My computer at home.
9 years too.
Okay, I have a couple of questions. We'll do it on the board. And then hopefully you can do one on your own using the checklist, okay?
2 points twice.
I apologize, okay? All right, everybody got this, good?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to the EDIA. If you do not have an EDIA, please get your computer out or get a piece of paper out and we'll graph it individually, okay?
With the checklist.
Yeah, with the checklist, okay, Sam?
Yeah. Hey, what time is it? Like,
All right, here we go. Here's our worksheet. Let's do this one together, guys. And after we do this one together,
what? I ain't gonna lie. That look different for me.
yeah, it looks a little different, but I'm gonna show you how to attack this, Sam.
I ain't gonna lie.
All right, so listen up. Here we go. Looking at our checklist, the first thing we do is isolate our Y. Once we see our Y is isolated, which it is, Y is by itself. The second thing we do is, according to our checklist, is locate our y-intercept. Our y-intercept right here will be -5. I need y'all to listen. Lock back in, guys. So we go to -5, right? Put our line there at -5. And then we do our slope. Up 4, under, over 3. Here we go. So let's go up 4, over 3.
Somebody at the door.
1, 2, 3, 4. Over 3. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. Right.
Hey, Ashley, welcome.
Huh, where was you at? Where have you been? What?
All right, so guys, look, what we did was we grafted our first line, guys. Pay attention, we grafted our first line. We started at -5,
Yes, sir.
right? And we went up 4 over 3. Started at -5, went up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do the second one. We start at -2, and then we go up 1.
1 over 3.
Yep.
Rise
Start
over
at
one.
-2,
The rise is 1, and the
Yeah.
run is 2.
Yes. Good job. 1, 1, 2. Boom. And where it meets at, that will be our point.
At 4? No, that's 5.
No,
That's at the 5.
It's a little bit before that, it look like.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't think we do this well.
All right. So now what's going to happen is, we did one together. I want to see you guys do one on your own using the checklist. Once you get done, if you have any questions, please feel free to raise your hand. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
I'm here to help you guys, and I'm here. If you guys need me, I'll put it in any way you guys need me to. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Straight up.
All right, so we're gonna work on our exit form, and after we do that, we should have a few minutes to go, and we'll be out of here. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
But I got a question, boy. So which one is Y? Which one is the first Y? What's the second Y?
Right here, it doesn't matter. So this one is one line, and this one is the second line.
So it don't matter which color? I can put
It doesn't matter.
Let's say I put blue as Y, 1/3.
Yes, you can do that.
Alright.
Yep. So Sam, let's get
Which one would be our X and Y?
yeah, Sean, I need you to get started on this second one.
Yes, sir.
Use your checklist, guys, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need me? I can come. Alright, so yeah, using the checklist, the first thing we do. Okay, that's the bell, guys.
Thank you.